Hello YouTube, the Devil's Advocate here, and apologies once again for taking so long between vlogs. This time I want to share a bit of advice about a recent issue I had with my phone, being that my phone lost the ability to recognize my voice when it said OK Google, which I got set up. For some reason, it just stopped. It just stopped responding. Well, first of all, it became intermittent, and then it stopped completely. Even deleting the voice file that I saved, trained the voice and deleted that. Tried to retrain it. Even the retraining process, it wouldn't pick up my voice. Everything else worked fine, but for some reason, Hello Google simply would not work. I did a variety of things, which might help you if you're experiencing the same thing. One thing I can advise, if you're experiencing this, is to first of all, is to open the Google app. In my case, it's right here. See Google. Okay. Go down to the bottom right hand side. Forgive the picture of Trump. I know it's offensive to a lot of people. And you go to settings, go to voice. Okay. And where do you go from here? Just move this over. Yes, OK Google detection. So click OK Google detection. Make sure these two are set. If you are having an issue of Google Voice not working, you try deleting the voice model, which is just to the left there of my mugshot, and retrain my voice model after you turn everything off, back on again, retrain voice model. That should sort it out. If that doesn't work, what you need to do then, let me just go back to the home page. Scroll down again, go to the cog, which is there, go to settings, which takes you to settings, then you scroll up, go to apps, okey-doke, wait for that to kick in, wait for that to kick in, thank you. And then what you do then is you look for Google, right? That one there. Okay. Stop it. Well, first of all, what you do is you see we say storage, 216 megabyte. Go into that. Move that over. Clear cache, manage space, delete all the cache and everything. Okay. Okay. Reboot the phone. Try again. That should finally sort it out. If that doesn't work, try deleting the Google app altogether. Okay, I'm gonna bring it back up. Sorry, it's getting a bit dark there. Try deleting it altogether, reinstalling or uninstalling the updates. If you can't install it because it's part of the system, part of bloatware. So at least uninstall the updates. Reboot the phone. Reinstall the updates. Try again. However, if that doesn't work, is another thing you could do. What I found, none of those are working for me. Okay, so what I actually found was, and I noticed something in the menus. Let me just go back a bit. Apps. When I went to apps, I noticed that there's one particular app. I think it was called Wi-Fi Doctor. And Wi-Fi Doctor, basically what's supposed to do is to improve your Wi-Fi signal. But I noticed a lot of the text, including Wi-Fi Doctor, was corrupted, as if it was set to a different language or whatever. Hyphens and weird exclamations and whatnot. Above certain characters or whatever. So it's a bit odd. Has it got something to do with maybe that's got something to do with issues. So I uninstalled Wi-Fi Doctor, rebooted, cleaned the system, and went to retrain. Then it started working. So it's my advice to you. If you do have issue with OK Google or any other feature of the phone, think back, what is the last app that you installed, okay? And does it correlate to any issues that you are having, okay? Do the usual antivirus checks and the malware checks and so on and so forth. There's lots of us that do it. If that comes up clear, look for any rogue apps, okay? That sorted it out for me when I deleted the app, Wi-Fi Doctor. I'm not saying it's a bad app, but it didn't agree with my phone, okay? So that should finally sort it out. If that doesn't work, I think you're looking at a factory reset. But thankfully, I never had to do that, okay? That would be a real pain. Anyway, the devil's advocate, signing off. Please subscribe, like, and share. Have a nice day.